Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Richard, your developer for the Bluetooth remote for your Android powered device. And today I'll be going through a walkthrough of how to pair your Android device to your Windows PC or notebook using Windows 7. Okay, so first of all, we want to go ahead and install the Bluetooth remote server on your PC. You can do this by going out to www.RedzCorp.com and download and install this onto your PC. I've already gone ahead to done so to allow us some more time here. Okay, so going over to the Android side of things, you want to head out to the market and you want to search for a Bluetooth remote. Okay, and you want to go ahead and install that app on your Android device as well. I'm going to go ahead here and open up our apps menu. Okay, and here's our icon, the Bluetooth remote. I'm going to go ahead and select that here. Alright, and it brings us into the main menu. Now for pairing, we can select any one of these remotes. I'm going to go ahead and hit media remote. Alright, and it's going to prompt us to enable Bluetooth on our device if we have not already done so. So let's go ahead and hit yes. Alright, and while it's doing so, let's go ahead and do the same for our PC here. So let's go ahead and hit turn on. This might look a little different for your device on your PC, for your Bluetooth card on your PC. So let's go up here and Bluetooth devices, right click, select open settings. Okay, now we want to enable Discover on the PC, so we're going to hit allow Bluetooth devices to find this computer, apply, and OK. Alright, now once that is done, we're going to go back over to our Android device here. We're going to hit menu, connect a device. Alright, and we currently have no devices connected, so we're going to scan for devices. Alright, it shows me two of my PCs here. The one we're interested in is Richard XPS. Let's go ahead and select that one there. Now this is going to fail the first time around, but what it actually does, it lets the PC know that we have a service on our Android device that will be utilizing a Bluetooth serial port connection. So when we do in fact get these two items paired together, the PC will install the required drivers necessary and not have the user have to manually install these. Okay, so our next phase is that we want to go to the home screen. Let's hit the home button. We're going to select menu. Okay, then settings. Now this might look a little different to you. I'm running Android 2.3.3. Okay, but more or less it's going to look the same. So let's hit wireless and networks. Okay, we're going to select Bluetooth settings. Alright, and you want to select your PC there. Alright, so I'm going to select Richard XPS. Alright, it's going to try and pair. Now we have a pop-up here on our PC. Alright, we're going to click on that. We just want to verify that these two codes are the same here. 520792. These are going to be different codes each and every time. Okay, so let's hit next here and pair here. And there it goes. It's installing those drivers for us right now as we speak. Okay, we're going to just give it a couple of moments for it to do so. Alright. Looks like it's finished. We're going to hit close and let's see here. It went ahead and installed those two serial ports for us. That normally would not have been done if we skipped that process before. Bluetooth peripheral device, that failed, but we will not be needing that, and most people never use that at all for any other Bluetooth connections. So let's go ahead and hit close here. We're going to go back to our Bluetooth devices and we're going to right click on it. It opens settings. Alright, we're going to select the COM ports tab. Let's go ahead, and it's going to take a few moments here to load. Alright, and you want to look for your device name. Mine is the Nexus 1. Okay, and the direction we're interested in is the incoming. Okay, not the outgoing, the incoming. We want to make a mental note of the COM port. That's COM port 13. Okay. Let's just go back over to our options here and disable Discover on our PC since we no longer need that. Hit OK. Alright, so let's go to the Bluetooth remote server. We're going to input our COM port 13, and let's hit start. Alright, we just got a pop-up that it is now open in COM13. We're going to hit OK. So, moving back over to our Android device here, we want to go back to the Bluetooth remote, and we're going to select it here. Alright, now at this point, we're going to hit Menu, Connect to Device. Now, it should be showing the device you already paired to, so your PC should be showing up here. Let's go ahead and select that. Okay, it should connect just fine. There we go. Connected to my PC there. Alright, and just to give you guys a quick demo of what of the Bluetooth remote here. So this is the Windows Media Center button. Let's go ahead and launch that. Now what I do realize is that my screen capture does not capture the full screen of Windows Media Center. So let's minimize it. Alright, so here we are in Windows Media Center. You can see we have the basic functionalities up, down, works quite beautifully, quite smoothly. Let's go to our music folder here. We have right, left. Let's go into our library. Alright, let's scroll around a bit here. Select an album to play. Let's go ahead and play that album. Okay. Alright, so functionality, pause, play, okay, volume up, volume down, volume mute, unmute, stop, play, next track, previous track. Okay, so pretty much a full functionality. We can back out. Alright. And we can just exit the application using this button. Alright, this button here, this launches your default music player. So this could be iTunes, Windows Media Player, or whichever other third-party application you have as your default music player. So if we hit that, it launches Windows Media Player for me. Okay, we're just going to close out of it. Alright, and if you hit the back button, it takes you back out to the main menu. It's going to disconnect from the device, but you can select any remote again. Alright, and pairing, or well, it's already paired, but connecting is going to be as simple as connect to a device, select your device, and that should be it. It's going to connect just fine. There we go. Okay, well, thank you guys for tuning in. This is how you would pair your device to a Windows 7 PC. Thank you.